Ayaan was a young man who always looked busy to his friends. He seemed fine, but inside he was drowning. His life was full of problems he refused to face. He had failed an important exam, but instead of studying harder, he avoided books altogether. He had borrowed money from a friend, but instead of repaying, he stopped answering calls. He had dreams of becoming a designer, but instead of practicing, he scrolled endlessly through social media, comparing himself to others. Every problem he ignored became a shadow that followed him, and the more he ran, the darker his world became. Ayaan sat in his room, staring at the ceiling. His chest felt heavy. He whispered, "Why do I feel stuck? Why does life keep punishing me?" His mother confronted him. "You've been hiding from us, Ayaan. We don't need you to be perfect. We need you to be present." That night, he sat with his family, sharing his fears. For the first time, the weight on his chest began to lift. Ayaan applied for a small design internship. He was rejected. Instead of running, he asked the recruiter, "What did I lack?" The recruiter replied, "Consistency. Show me you can commit." That rejection became fuel. He doubled his effort, sketching daily, building discipline. One day, a younger boy in the village asked Ayaan for help with drawing. Ayaan taught him patiently. In that moment, he realized teaching others made his own path clearer. Problems weren't just lessons for him, they became wisdom he could pass on. And then it hit him. Life wasn't punishing him, he was punishing himself. By running, problems don't disappear when you avoid them. They grow, they multiply, they wait. The next day, Ayaan decided to stop running. But he knew he couldn't do it alone. He went back to his old job, coaching. Ashamed of failing, his teacher looked at him and said, "Failure isn't the end, Ayaan, it's feedback. Sit down. Let's go through your mistakes together." For the first time, Ayaan understood where he went wrong. He stayed after class, relearning. Step by step, he visited the friend he owed money to. Nervous, he explained honestly, "I don't have it all now, but I'll repay you little by little." His friend smiled. "I don't need perfection. I need honesty." That moment taught Ayaan that facing problems builds trust. Ayaan met an older designer in the village who saw his sketches. The mentor said, "Stop comparing yourself to others. Draw one thing every day. Improvement is built in small steps with guidance." Ayaan began sketching at night, slowly building skill and confidence. Each encounter wasn't easy, but every lesson chipped away at the fear. Problems didn't vanish, they transformed into teachers. Months passed. Ayaan was no longer the boy who ran from shadows. He was a man who faced them. His exam results improved, his debt was cleared. His sketches turned into a portfolio that opened doors to opportunities. He discovered something powerful. Problems are not walls meant to stop us. They are stones meant to build our path. By facing them, Ayaan wasn't just solving issues, he was building the road to his future. So, if you feel stuck, remember Ayaan, write down your problems, face them one by one. Don't run, because every problem you conquer becomes a stone laid on the path toward your destiny.